So let's take a look at our problem. And how many, if the box of ice cream bars that I'm buying, how many ice cream bars are in that box?
4.
Okay, so let's maybe draw that. Let's draw a box. And what can we put in there to show that there are 4 ice cream bars?
Bars. You actually know this.
Okay, so each one are 4 ice cream bars. Now, how many people in our class?
17.
So we want to. What do we want to do then? What's the best way to solve the problem? What do we need to figure out?
I'll figure out how many more do we need?
How many more what?
Boxes.
How many more
of
boxes
ice
do we need?
creams we need.
So let's write 17 down as our goal that we're trying to find out. Okay. So what do you think we could do next? What could we? There's 1 box of ice cream bars, so we know there's 4.
We could draw 2 more.
So okay, so draw.
Oh, draw one.
So you draw 1 box there.
And then I'll draw the other.
Okay.
Sorry.
Now, why did we put the number 2 there? Why don't we keep it all the same? So, what did she do here to show the 4 ice cream bars?
Want me to do it again?
No, he can do it.
Okay. A 4.
So why don't you draw the 4 dots then?
Just like mine. Color them. 2 dots.
Well, how many dots are here?
4. Why can't I put a 4?
Well, you could put a 4 there, but let's put the dots just because I think that might be a little bit easier for us. We can try it again, doing the 4 and see what happens. No, this is fine. So now, how many ice cream bars do we have in our 3 boxes now?
12.
So we have 12 now. Do we still have enough for the class yet?
No.
So what should we do then? You want to draw 1 more?
Hi, it's my turn.
It's okay. You've already drawn 2. He gets to draw 2.
That's a little bit small.
It's okay. That box got squished at the grocery store. So now how many ice cream bars do we have here?
14. 16.
We have 16. Do we still have enough yet?
No, we need 1 more.
So let's draw 1 more.
And now we got 17 because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
So how many boxes? No, well, how many boxes did we need?
We needed 1, 2, 3, 5.
So we needed 5 boxes. So let's write down 5 boxes. No,
Hayden.
we don't have to erase anything yet. Remember, the question also said, are we going to have ice cream bars left over?
Hayden.
Are we going to have any ice cream bars left over?
No.
So after everyone
Sure
gets one, there's going to be none left in the boxes?
Mm-hmm.
How do you know that?
Because there are 17 people in the class and 17, well, we don't,
Well, how many?
These will be left over.
Well, so then how many bars are left over?
3.
So there are ones left over. So you just solved the problem. Now we just put it into
The
words.
answer is 3.
Because, well, first, how many boxes do I need to buy?
5.
Okay, so Mr. Dean needs to buy 5 boxes of ice cream bars.
And we don't need this.
No, well, don't scribble them out yet because we're going to show them. So write that down. Mr. Dean needed to buy 5 boxes. Okay, just put those in the different math manipulatives.
How do you spell need?
Well, it's on the word there, but let's just put down Mr. D and then needs. So just sound it out. Start with an N. Needs. What do you think it's gonna be? Needs. How many boxes?
6. 3 boxes.
How many boxes do I need to get?
5 boxes.
Here, use that eraser.
Stop, Kaden. I'm trying to say, but be quiet so the other people can hear.
Oh, you want her to whisper it so the other people don't hear your answer?
Yeah.
That's okay. You know what we're gonna do is you guys are gonna come up and you're gonna explain this to the class. When we reflect and connect on it, you're gonna explain what you did and how you found your answer. Okay. So you guys chose to use these blocks to help us.
Yes.
Now, I noticed you made a string of blocks here. What are you doing with these string of blocks? What's your goal here?
So
Tristan made 4 and I'm going to make 17 and we're going to add them up together so it makes like the number. And then we're going to break it in
So
half.
why did you make 17 then?
Because it says 4 and 17.
Okay, but what does 17 mean?
17, like
Ice cream
the
bars.
answer, something more boxes.
Well, you think
We don't
so.
know the answer, so that's why I said something.
So okay, so you didn't know the answer or how many boxes we need. Well, how does making 17 cubes help us find the answer? What does that do? How do you think that's going to help you?
17.
How do you think this is going to help you?
Yeah.
Well, what does 17 mean? If we look at our question, what does 17 talk?
17 people is here and then there are 4.
So there's 17 people in our class.
Yeah.
So do you think that's gonna? Do you think the 17 people are gonna tell me the amount of ice cream boxes we need? Well, then you made this, buddy, and you made. What is this? Is this how many are in each ice cream box?
Yeah.
So this is one box of ice cream.
Yes.
Well, what if we did this? How many cubes do you have here? Do you have 17 yet?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 4,
Remember which end you put it in.
14,
Orange.
15, 16,
No, you need. I got one.
17 right
Well,
here.
what if we did this? And I said, here's all the people in our class. So here's one box of ice cream. Do we have enough to give everyone one box?
No,
or to give
because
one?
we need,
So
let's see.
maybe we need to make another box. So why don't you make another box of ice cream bars?
Oh, sure.
Done. I'm doing it. Kobe will remember.
Well-
I do the 4 and you do the.
I do 4 too. Now.
Okay. So now we put another box here. Do we have enough for everyone yet?
No. All
So-
we need is 1, 2, 3, 1. All we need is this.
So do we need to make another box?
Yes.
Okay.
But we need to put, yeah, 4.
So how many boxes have we bought so far?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Well, here's the thing. How many are in the box though?
4.
Is this 4 boxes or is this one box?
1 box.
So how many boxes have we bought so far?
3.
We've got 3 so far. So let's make another box and see if we come close to giving enough for the whole class. You know what? If you can't find any more black ones, we can just make these ones a different color.
Found one. Found another one. Found another one. I got my hand in there. Black one. Got 4. Oh, there's a. Wait. I see another one. Again.
Okay. So now we've got another box. So now we have how many boxes?
4.
Do we still have enough?
No, we just need 1 more. We just
Now can we buy just one ice cream bar? Or do we have to buy a whole new box?
No, we just need to buy 1 ice cream bar for the last person.
So if we went to the grocery store, you could just rip open and just take one box out and say, I just want to buy one box? Or are they going to say you need to buy the whole box?
Not the whole box.
So then let's make one more box.
Oh, sure. Well, it'd be too much to like rest over. Like,
Well, remember, what's our other question say? Are there any left over? Will we have some leftover bars then?
yes.
Okay. You know what, buddy? I don't know if there's any more black ones in there, so let's just pick a different color.
Found.
I know, but you found one.
Oh. I found another one. Oh, we need 2 more.
I think we're only.
Okay, I don't.
I found 2 more.
You got 2 more?
Yes. No. It's 5, I guess. So.
No, that's 4. Found 2, then we found another 2.
Okay. So now, let's put our ice cream box and compare it. So, do we have enough for the whole class now?
Yes.
How many boxes did we have to buy?
Let's say
5,
Five.
yeah. We have to buy 5 boxes. And do we have any left over?
yes.
How many are we going to have left over?
So this
How many ice cream bars are left over?
1, 2, 3, 3 more. left.
There's your answers. All right, now, you know what we're going to do is we're going to do Reflect and Connect in a couple minutes, and I want you to share this. So we have 2 groups that are going to share. I want you to share your strategy, and we're going to have Katie and Lisa's group share their strategy, okay? So you solved both questions together here. And can you show me what you did?
First, on the first question, I did open number line.
Okay, and how did you do that?
I started at 0 because there are no ice cream bars left.
Okay.
Then I skipped 4 and landed on 4. And I wrote number 1 under number 4 because that's how many boxes I need by so far.
Okay.
Then I did another 4 and landed at 8 under the number again, so we have to buy 2 boxes.
Okay.
Then again at 12. Then now 3 boxes. Then we skip again 4. Made at 16, another box, and then another one. We skip 4, and we land at 20, and we look down, and there's 5.
Okay.
Boxes.
So 20, and then you told me that you have 3 left over. So now I look down here, and you solved the second question. So what did you? So what does the pink represent?
The pink represents our class.
Okay, so that's why there's 17. And what does the yellow represent?
Mrs. Ring's class.
So Mrs. Ring, and how many people were in Mrs. Ring's class?
19.
So 19. So then you did 17, and you added 19, and you got 36. So then you wrote these little numbers down here, and it looks like you followed your same open number line where you have 1 box here. So how many boxes do we need for both classes?
9.
That's great. And yeah, you need to buy 9 more boxes, and I really like this strategy. So tomorrow, when we do our activate, so we reflected on 2 people's strategies. We're going to talk about this strategy tomorrow, so we can start our thinking. Okay? All right.